Hi Ben, how are you doing today? I hope everything is going well for you and you are having a nice day.
Hi Anna. I'm doing really well today, thank you for asking. I feel relaxed and in a good mood. How about you?
I'm good too, thanks. Today I was thinking about something interesting, and I thought it would be nice if we talk about it together.
That sounds great. I always enjoy our conversations, especially when we talk about real life experiences. So, what do you have in mind today?
I was thinking we could talk about the first time you went to a restaurant, maybe when you were younger or when you went alone for the first time.
Oh wow, that's actually a very interesting memory, and I still remember many small details from that day because it was a new experience for me.
Really? That sounds exciting. Can you tell me when it happened and how you felt at that moment?
Yes, of course. It happened a few years ago when I decided to go to a restaurant by myself for the first time, and I felt both excited and a little nervous at the same time.
I can understand that feeling, because doing something for the first time alone can be a bit stressful but also very exciting.
Exactly. When I arrived at the restaurant, I stood at the entrance for a few seconds because I wasn't sure what I should do first or where I should go.
That's completely normal. So what did you do after that moment of confusion?
After a few seconds, a waiter came to me with a friendly smile and asked me if I needed a table, and that made me feel much more comfortable.
That's really nice. Friendly staff can make a big difference, especially when you feel unsure.
Yes, absolutely. He showed me to a small table near the window, and I liked that place because I could see people outside and feel less alone.
That sounds like a cozy spot. Did you feel more relaxed after you sat down?
Yes, I started to feel more relaxed, but when I looked at the menu, I felt confused again because there were so many options and I didn't know what to choose.
Oh yes, menus can sometimes be overwhelming, especially when there are too many choices.
Exactly. I spent a long time reading the menu and trying to understand everything, and I was worried that I was taking too much time.
Did someone come to take your order while you were still deciding?
Yes, the waiter came back and politely asked if I was ready to order, and I told him that I needed a few more minutes to decide.
That's good. It's always okay to take your time. So what did you finally choose?
In the end, I decided to order something simple, like grilled chicken with rice, because I didn't want to take a risk with something unfamiliar.
That's a smart choice for a first time. Did you also order a drink?
Yes, I ordered a glass of fresh juice, and I thought it would make the meal more enjoyable and refreshing.
That sounds like a nice combination. How long did you wait for your food?
I waited for about 15 minutes, and during that time, I looked around the restaurant and watched other people eating and talking.
Did that make you feel more comfortable or more nervous?
Actually, it made me feel more comfortable, because I saw that everyone was relaxed and enjoying their time, so I started to feel the same way.
That's great. And how was the food when it arrived?
The food looked very delicious, and when I tried it, I was really happy because it tasted even better than I expected.
That must have been a very nice moment for you.
Yes, it was. I slowly enjoyed my meal, and I started to feel proud of myself because I was doing something new on my own.
That's a very important feeling. Doing things alone can help you become more confident.
Yes, I agree. After I finished my meal, I called the waiter and asked for the bill, and this time I felt much more confident than before.
So the experience changed your feeling from nervous to confident?
Exactly. At the beginning, I felt unsure and a bit stressed, but at the end, I felt relaxed, happy, and proud of myself.
That's really wonderful. First experiences can teach us a lot about ourselves.
Yes, and after that day, I was not afraid to go to restaurants alone anymore, and now I actually enjoy it very much.
Thank you for sharing this story with me, Ben. Ben. It was very interesting and also helpful.
You're very welcome, Anna. I really enjoyed talking about this memory with you.
Maybe next time we can talk about another first-time experience, because I think these stories are very useful for learning English.
That's a great idea. I'm looking forward to our next conversation.
Alright, take care and see you next time.
You too. See you soon. Waving hand.